guys, it's Daphne's channel, and before we get started, make sure you like, subscribe, and turn on all post notifications. Okay, let's get into the video, yo! So, today I'm going to be showing you guys how to use this fidget cube thing. And some of these I don't know how to use, so you guys can comment down below how you use it, but because I might use it a different way than you do. So, now let's actually get into it. Okay, so let's start with this thing. This is just how you hang it, but you can like twirl it around and hear all the fidgets shake and stuff or something. And then this thing, you can rub your hands against it, and I'll do ASMR at the end when I'm not talking. And then this, you can like rub your finger through or something. Then, sorry, I was just trying to find what fidgets I'm on next. Then we have this thing. Slide up and down, and that's just the grip for where you hold it. Then this next one is one of these things. I just like to punch it or flick it, whatever. Then we have this joystick. You can move it around and stuff. So next, we're gonna go from the joystick down. You have these things, you can just like slide them up and down and stuff. Then we have these. They're just buttons to push. Okay. Then we have these slider things. Slide, 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 slide. Then we have this on and off button to just mess around with. This is what it looks like up close. Now guys, I have an announcement before we go on. I am officially on summer break, so I can start posting a little bit more. Yay. Okay, now we have these things that go up and down, stuff like that. So yeah. Then we have this button you press, and it's like a rubber button. Then I think last but not least, this thing that you can like turn and you can press it. So that's all you can do with this. Make sure you comment down below if you use it differently. Now, time for the ASMR. So anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video, and make sure if you want to see more videos like that, you subscribe. Bye!